Hey guys, Sputtered Online here. This is my custom Lego Punisher. From, I don't know, he might be from the X-Men. I know he's in some Spider-Man comic books, but I don't know. So, he has black legs. If you have normal black legs, I'm not sure that they sell these, but you get black pants, like even the underwear thing, whatever you want to call it. You take off the black underwear thing, and you put on blue, and then you put that there, and you put the black legs on. And then you get, what's his name? Some kid from Ninja, Lloyd Garmadon's jacket, put it on, black arms and blue hands. And then Wolverine's head and Superman's hair. So you can also add these two guns. There's Deadpool's gun that you can add, and there's also a Stormtrooper gun that you could add too. So, see you guys later. So, Lego Punisher.